This is absolutely stunning. Look at that. The nature is beautiful. And the shop's open. I didn't think it was open. So there's a little pottery shop here. What a amazing place for a pottery shop. They've even got a model of their house as the post box by the looks of it. That's really cool. I really like it. Look at that though. What a beautiful sound all the time. Although it is making me want to go to the toilet. But what a lovely end to a great road trip. And that's what it is. An interesting shop of contemporary crafts. Mark of the Potter. Let's go and have a look then. I love the fact that the shop's open. Debbie wanted to bring us here and I can see why. It's just an eclectic mix of everything. And including pottery obviously. So this is cool. Right, so apparently I've got to go down here.
Watch your step and watch your head.
I will watch both. Oh my god. I totally did not expect that. Wow. That's some indoor plumbing, right? Holy cow. I absolutely love that. That's the sort of basement I want to walk into. Oh my god. I'd have a lazy boy chair right there and just be chilling right here. That is amazing. So, oh, and I can go this way. See a little bit more. This is so cool. Wow. And this is all underneath. How awesome is this? And there you go. There's a little tiny little waterfall that I was looking at from outside. So I'm guessing there was maybe a water wheel here at some point. I don't know. There must have been, because there's the workings there, the band. Yeah, this is really cool. Absolutely love this. And look at the foundations of the house. So, it's built in 1931. Replaced older buildings in the mid 1800s on the same site. Mill upstairs, sawmill as well, and a furniture factory downstream. That is absolutely fascinating. A turbine wheel. Oh wow. So where I'm standing is where the turbine wheel was. Wow. This is absolutely brilliant. What a pleasant surprise. I'm glad she didn't tell me. Yeah. She's just handing me this bag.
Look at them, they hang out right here because they know.
Oh my god. So there's trout down there and I've got a bag of seed. Yeah. Just don't want to drop my phone. Awesome. Right, let's get into my little bag. I might climb down there and tickle one. Right. There we go. Go on, trout. Go. Yeah. How cute. Man, there's some big fish there. What a fascinating day out. And look where we are. Absolutely stunning. I was saying the water was really clear here and I wondered whether I'd see a trout. I didn't expect to see this many. Right, go on. There you go. I'll give you some over there. Little ones. Yeah. That's cool. A lot of unexpected things. I've literally just walked in this store. This is fascinating. So, man, I love it here. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's have a look around the rest of the store. One last flurry. Gosh. Awesome. Wow. So as if all that other stuff wasn't enough, they got some cool pottery as well. So, which was my life many years ago, making stuff like this. Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, here. Yeah, I didn't see them.
Yeah, what an amazing shop. I love this. Genius. Oh, look at that wood burner as well. That's cool. Loving it. What's this?
I saw your message. I think you won't play it states. Saw you there.
Awesome.
No, I was making other tours. Oh, but I mean,
Ooh.
what were you making? That's nice. You keep that thing right over there and make them.
Leaving, I've just got to get a video of this. So this is their mailbox. That is absolutely brilliant. So it's got a little bird feeder on it as well. Oh my god. Doesn't want to open. That one does though. Oh, that is so cool. What an amazing place. Absolutely love it. No fishing, hunting or swimming. That's oh, look at the actual flue for the wood burner. Sorry, I'm just blown away. If I could and the old Coca-Cola machine. There's so much stuff that I've missed. It's too much to take in. So there you go. Mark of the Potter in Clarksville, Georgia. One last little look at that beautiful flowing water there. So I'm glad that I managed to get that last train to Clarksville. This is a spectacular area. I thought I'd stop recording, but I can't. It's just so beautiful. You look at that house. You can just see that.
I'm pretty sure the river is right behind there.
Wow. Oh, and there's another one right. Oh my god.
Yeah, these people have.
Oh yeah, I
lots.
worked in that house.
Yeah, these people have lots and lots of money.
Yeah, that's a nice big house in the woods. Right, and just around this corner we're gonna see a bear that's like just decided to wake up for a snack. And he loves barbecue. And I've just opened the window so he can smell my barbecue that I've got in the back. Come on.
Alright, I'll turn around and leave. I just not what I thought it was gonna be, sorry.
It's all good, right? It's such a beautiful drive anyway, it doesn't matter.
For sale by owner.
Oh my god, yeah, look, the size of it.
I know.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Absolutely, man.
By appointment
Tanglewood.
only, that's probably, I don't know, $1.5
Oh,
million.
so what, we can't drive up there and have a look?
Huh?
That's somebody's private driveway, isn't it? Oh no.
Nah, as in knock on his door. Yeah, go on, let's have a drive-by look. Wait, so what do you reckon, 1.5 million?
Probably, at least. It depends on how much land they have. You know, that could be the house and they could have 40 acres out here. It'd probably be a couple $1 million.
Yeah, it's cute. Yeah, that'll do. I'll have it as a second home.
What's it say?
No, it just says by appointment only.
Just numbers. And look at
cute.
look at the
Yeah.
view.
Craftsman style.
Yeah, it's the old craftsman style.
Yeah. Oh, and there's another one here. I love it. We're in the middle of the woods and there's these massive houses. You'd expect like a little cabin. Look at that. Wow. Oh, I must have missed the bear. That's annoying. As soon as I press stop on the thing, the bear's going to walk across the road. I know that. Right, that's going to be it. So, oh, there's a rare building. Look, it's got bricks on it. I love it here. And I've probably said that a lot of times on this video. Yeah, look at that.
Nobody's living there right now.
I could live there.
It's empty.
Well, should we
Probably somebody's vacation.
should we squat it for a bit? Right, just say we're just there keeping it running so it doesn't collapse.
Rest of the house.
Yeah, it's lovely. Alrighty.